I'm back. I've got a refill, 15 quid, CO2 gas. Now, just been finishing moulding all this plate on. Finished seaming there, taking that good at the front roller. It going round ain't too bad. Plugged all the holes up, going to the chassis. And obviously that you can see is where I've seamed on the other side. As I'll show you, just down there. I'll grind that off as well, not all of it, so it remains some strength, but most of it. Then also all at the front there, welded it all to the crossmember and the chassis lip, just try and gain some strength. Not too bad. What I've also done is on this strengthener, I've now took it out of the acid and there's no rust on it now, but I'm going to cut these sections out rather than cutting the whole thing out like I planned to and keeping just the lip. I'm going to weld that in, then weld it back on. Like that. It'll look nice. Right. See you later.